This is an empowering group designed to help women over 50 work through ideas, create and develop the possibilities of a side income that aligns with their passions and skills, aiming to supplement their retirement income and enable them to live their dreams, completing those bucket lists without the normal financial constraints of a basic pension. If you're a woman with a wealth of life experiences looking to increase your retirement income might be for you. Could your hobbies or life experiences be the answer to create a sustainable side income before you approach retirement? Then this is crafted just for you. You could create additional income streams by turning your lifelong interests or hobbies, be it gardening, writing, or any other skill, into profitable ventures. Together we'll identify your strengths and brainstorm business ideas, whether it's starting a blog, opening an online store, or providing consulting services. Then we'll create a step-by-step action plan to launch and grow your business. Yes, if you're willing to invest time and effort. With guidance tailored by my experiences, you will have a structured pathway to making your side business a success. It varies, but with commitment you could see the fruits of your labour in as little as a few months. Building a business is a marathon, not a sprint, but we'll be there at every milestone. A commitment to consistently applying the strategies we develop, a willingness to learn and adapt, and the dedication to put in the necessary work to grow your business. The earlier you start, the more time you have to build and refine your idea, ensuring a robust and reliable income by the time you retire. This program is uniquely hands-on, offering personalised mentorship and practical strategies drawn from real-world entrepreneurial success, coupled with a supportive community backdrop. With extensive experience in nurturing startups and facilitating growth, the strategies I shared are not hypothetical, they're proven with tangible results I lived on. You'll get group strategy sessions, learn to access market research tools, workshops on digital marketing and product development, and peer support from a network of like-minded women entrepreneurs. We reassess and pivot as needed. Your side income is a dynamic project and flexibility is key. If one idea doesn't pan out, we have plenty of other avenues to explore. Reach out via our Facebook group and take a dive deep into your aspirations and skills. We'll create the groundwork to investigate the viability of your idea and, where possible, set clear milestones for growth and success for you with your retirement income plan. Subscribe to learn more and join our Facebook community to start.